Many of us who are Mac users, even after using it for a long time, we still don't know how to move a file into another folder on a MacBook. I mean, normally we all know how to copy a file and save it somewhere, but we don't know how to move the file entirely into a folder. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily move any file from one place to another. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Now, to move any file, you need to select it first. For example, let's say I want to move these two files. To move them, I'll select both. Then right-click. And from there, I'll select Copy. Next, I will open the folder where I want to store them. Now, instead of right-clicking and hitting paste like we normally do, we are going to press and hold the Command and Option keys on the keyboard and then press V key. And then, just like that, both files will instantly appear here. Notice how those two files are no longer on the desktop. That means we have successfully moved our files into this folder. But if we had only copied them from here, for instance, let me select and copy them again, and this time, if I just right-click and standard paste them, the original two files will still remain in the previous folder. So what does this mean? If you want to move a file, you copy the files from here first, and then on your keyboard, you press Command plus Option plus V, all at the same time. This will remove the files from their original location and directly move them right into this new folder. That's it for today's video. I hope this tip was useful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.